Hello, this video is a demonstration on how to merge rater imports. So you will see on the left navigational menu, you will come down to rater imports and you will click there. Then I'm going to scroll down to show you an example of a rater import. This is one that's been partially consumed. And I'm going to click view and merge changes. In this rater import, you will see these first two data sessions have already been merged, but you'll notice that by the check mark that says merge. But I'm going to run through the rest here. So what you will notice is that import data session, it is asking you to match the insured. So it was not able to find Test Smith. I'm going to take a look through here. What we're going to do is we're going to actually look to see if there is a similar account that might be under Test Smith. I'm actually going to do Test Smith this way just to check. So unless I know anything different, maybe it's under a different name or something like that, I am just going to go ahead and allow this rater import to add this insured with this policy number. So I'm going to check mark that one. One other item that you want to look at is the agent that is assigned to this policy. If this is not Homer Simpson that is assigned to this policy, you want to make sure that you change that agent. Okay? With this next data session, you'll see that it was able to find Test Management Inc. in the system, but it wasn't able to find the policy number. Therefore, it is actually going to add this policy to this insured's profile, and it's going to update the insured. And you're going to go through the rest of these and do very similar. You're going to look for the test commercial. We'll see if they're in there, and I do find one that matches. So I'm going to match that test commercial to this test commercial. And then what it will do is create an alias in this test commercial insured with this name, Test Commercial Inc. Okay, and then I'm going to run through. I'm going to let these add. Let's take a look. Robert sample. Anything. I'm going to do it the other way just to be sure. I don't see it, so we will let that one add. So you're going to go through, check these insureds. You're going to check mark all the ones you want to merge. These first two were already merged, so I'm going to skip those. And then you're going to come to the top right where it says Merge Selected Items, and you are going to click Merge Selected. And now you will see up here at the top left on the tab that it is working. And we're going to give it just a moment. Okay, we have a message that says the selected items were merged, added, and or edited. So I'm going to click OK. And now this rater import has been complete. And then you can move back to rater imports or hit the back button and go on to your next. Thank you.